Hi, I'm Olly from the UK, and I've just spent a great half morning at Roaring 40s kayak trip around Hobart Harbour. So the guys take you out, they get the gear on for you, they give you a little brief safety instruction, and then we go out around the harbour. So they sort of explain little things on the way. There's a few points of interest, starfish, explain about the history of certain areas, and then we go for a lovely fish and chips. And you go back, so anyone can do it. It's nice and easy, and it's a really nice paced, great day out.